First, we will start by applying some acetone on a cotton ball, and we will be using this to remove any old nail polish from our nails. Next, we will be using a cuticle pusher to push our cuticles, and this will help a lot with us having more space on our nails to apply that beautiful nail polish. After pushing our cuticles, you may notice that there is some cuticle debris in that part of the nail, so what you want to do is go ahead and file that down very smoothly and very softly with a nail file. Next, we will use this brush just to brush away all the nail dust. Next, we will be using a nail buffer, and if there were any little pieces of cuticle left, or if you have ridges in your nails, this will help smooth the nail, and that way the nail polish can be applied way better. And let's brush that nail dust away. And once again, we will apply some acetone in a cotton ball and we will clean our nails again. And now the time has finally come for us to start applying the nail polish. Okay, now you want to pay close attention here. As you see, I am not applying the nail polish right at the cuticle. I am applying it a little bit before reaching the cuticle and then pushing that brush towards the cuticle and then pushing it back towards the rest of the nail. You want to apply thin coats, and now one of my best tips of all time in painting your nails and in making your nails last so long is by sealing the ends of the nails. And you want to take away as much of the nail polish from the brush, and then with that little amount you want to run it over the end of your nail. So we will do this for all of the nails, and don't worry if you make a mistake, if you apply some nail polish outside of the nail, don't worry, I have a solution for that. Good, now once you apply that first coat, we need to let it dry for a little bit and then apply a second coat. Once you're done applying that second and last coat, you will need some acetone, a brush, and one of these tiny glasses to apply some acetone on it. Now here's a very important thing. Make sure your brush has short bristles because this will make it way better and more precise in order for you to remove the nail polish from the places that you messed up a little bit. So like this brush that I'm using, it had longer bristles, so what I went ahead and did is I just cut the bristles away so that I would leave very short bristles. Wherever I messed up, I'm cleaning. That's it, it's super easy. And the final step is to apply this top coat. I am using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel top coat, and you will do exactly the same. Apply it on top of every nail, and do not forget to seal the end of the nail because, like I said before, this will be some extra protection which will prevent your nails from chipping away. And here is the final result, girls. What do you think? That's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you have a case for the classy files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Thank you for getting back to classy with me. Bye!